guys, so I'm going to be showing y'all how I'm customizing my Crocs. So of course you're going to need glue sticks, a glue gun. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it, but just in case, I have these stick-on rhinestones. They came from Etsy. I have this gold chain. This came from Amazon. I have this metal glue. This came from Amazon. I have a brush that I don't use, a makeup brush. I have pliers to cut the chain, and I have, of course, my charms. And these are what they look like outside of the package. They are small, but they're still going to come in handy for these shoes. So right now I'm just basically positioning them on the Croc just to see exactly how I want to set them up. So before I start gluing them, I don't know exactly where I want to put them. So I have my gloves because I don't want to get any glue in my fingers. And now I'm just going to open this glue up because I saw a video and it said the glue is like crazy. So I have to be 100% prepared before I use it. As you can see, the brush was not working for me. I'd rather just squeeze it out of the tube. So that's what I did from then on. And it actually did pretty good with the shoe.
Perfect.
So I have my first charm on there, and as you can see, it stick really good and fast. So I'm just going to continue to glue the back of these onto the Croc. And I did press them down just like for a few seconds to make sure that they were really on my Croc, because I remember someone said that their charms fell off, but so far all of mine are really good.
Perfect.
So I'm going to be taking off one glove for this, and I'm going to be taking these sticky rhinestones or gems, whatever you want to call them, and just place them in random spots on the Crocs.
Perfect.
So once I finish with the gems, I'm going to put my glove back on, and then I'm going to put this gold chain on. So I'm just going to be putting it at the top where the flap is, because I know that I'm going to keep them like this. I don't really like wearing the Croc flap behind my foot. I don't know why, I just rather slip my foot in and out of it. So I'm just going to measure it from side to side and make sure that I'm getting in all the measurements where the parts that I want to put it. And I'm just going to use the pliers to kind of cut off the piece that I need, and I'm going to use the metal glue to get it to stay on there. And there you have it. And then I'm going to be taking another piece, and I'm going to be putting above it, above the word Crocs. But let me just tell y'all one thing about this glue. It must be really good, because when I put this chain on it, I actually had messed up a little bit because I glued it too far up. And when I realized I did that, I took it off and re-glued it. But when I took it off, it was taking forever to come off, and some of my Croc came off on it. Now, it wasn't like too bad, like you couldn't see it or anything, but it tore some of it off, and that to me gives me proof that this glue is really good. So I don't know about the reviews, maybe people just wasn't using it right or what, but this glue works really good and it dries very fast. So if you want to customize your Crocs, I highly recommend this glue. And it's not even expensive. It's only $3.17 on Amazon. So I will put the links down below for like all of my stuff and where I got it from. That way, if you guys would like to customize your Crocs, then you'll know where to get some stuff from. I have worn my Crocs once, like after I finished doing them on the same day, and nothing came off. So far so good. I will give you guys another update, maybe like a week update, just to see if anything falls off these shoes. Okay, you guys, so I finished the other Croc off camera, but as you can see, this is the finishing product, and they came out so good. I did go back and clean up the excess glue because it was still like wet in the areas where it wasn't any metal, so it was easy to come off. And I want to tell you guys that this glue is very strong smelling, so probably wear something over your face like a mask. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.